Did you know that nearly 40% of engine breakdowns are caused by cooling system failure? Yes, you heard that right. It's not the engine itself that usually gives up first. It's the cooling system that quietly fails in the background, leading to overheating, engine damage, and costly repairs. Most of these failures are completely preventable with just a little care and the right maintenance. In this video, we are going to uncover 6 tips that will make your car's cooling system last forever. Stick around because this video will help to make your engine run smoother and last longer. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Flush and replace coolant. Regularly, coolant isn't a fill it and forget it fluid. It breaks down over time and loses its ability to protect your engine. As coolant ages, it becomes acidic, which can slowly eat away at the components of your cooling system, like the radiator, water pump, and even the engine block itself. Manufacturers usually recommend a coolant flush every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. But if you notice discoloration, sludge, or rust in your coolant, it's time to change it sooner. A proper flush removes old, contaminated coolant along with any built-up scale and debris inside the cooling system. Simply draining the radiator isn't enough. You need to perform a complete flush to remove all the old fluid from the engine block as well. Always refill with fresh coolant and bleed the system to remove air pockets that could cause overheating. Skipping this maintenance can lead to a clogged radiator, inefficient cooling, and even a blown head gasket in extreme cases. Tip number 2, always use the right coolant type. Now let's talk about a common mistake many drivers make, using the wrong coolant. This is a big one. Your car requires a specific type of coolant, and using the wrong one can seriously damage your radiator and engine. Some coolants contain ingredients that, when mixed with others, form sludge that clogs your radiator and hoses. And believe me, that sludge can do some serious damage. The ideal coolant mixture is usually 50% antifreeze and 50% distilled water. But always check your owner's manual to see the exact type of coolant recommended for your vehicle. Whether it's OAT, HOAT, or IAT, using the correct formula will help prevent corrosion, improve efficiency, and ensure your cooling system works flawlessly. Tip number 3, inspect and replace hoses regularly. Next up, checking and replacing hoses. It might sound like a small thing, but your hoses are like the veins in your body, and if one bursts, you could be in serious trouble. These rubber hoses carry the coolant throughout your car, and over time, the heat and pressure cause them to crack and weaken. If you don't spot the problem in time, you could end up losing coolant fast and overheating your engine. Regularly check your radiator and heater hoses for cracks, bulges, or soft spots, especially if you're going on a long trip or it's been a while since your last check. A small leak now can turn into a big problem later, and replacing them is cheap insurance to prevent costly breakdowns. Tip number 4, keep your radiator clean. Your radiator is the cooling system's heat exchanger. It cools down the hot coolant coming from the engine. But if the radiator gets clogged or blocked, its ability to dissipate heat drops drastically. Externally, the radiator fins can get packed with dirt, bugs, leaves, and other debris, especially if you drive in dusty areas or on highways. Clean the radiator gently with a soft brush or compressed air to keep the airflow unobstructed. Internally, scale buildup from old coolant or minerals can clog the tiny passages inside the radiator, restricting coolant flow. If you notice the engine running hotter than usual, a professional radiator flush or even replacement might be necessary to restore cooling performance. Tip number 5, test the radiator cap. Many people overlook the radiator cap, but it's a vital component of your cooling system. It does far more than just seal the radiator. It controls the pressure inside the system. If your radiator cap becomes weak or faulty, it might not hold the necessary pressure, causing coolant to escape or boil at a lower temperature. This can lead to overheating even if everything else looks fine. Check the cap for any visible wear, cracks, or damage. A professional can test the cap's pressure-holding ability with a special tool. If it's faulty, replacing it with the correct pressure-rated cap for your car is an easy and inexpensive fix that can prevent big problems. Tip number 6, inspect and maintain the water pump. The water pump is essentially the heart of your cooling system. It circulates coolant through the engine, radiator, and heater core. If it fails, your engine can overheat in minutes, potentially causing catastrophic damage. Watch for signs like coolant leaks around the pump or steam coming from under the hood. These are red flags that your water pump may be failing. It's smart to replace the water pump at regular intervals, often when changing the timing belt or chain, because they usually wear out around the same time. Preventive replacement can save you from being stranded on the road with a seized engine. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video.